Here's a very good looking Polo 1.4 match edition. In white with rear privacy glass. So the match edition, it gets a Parrot kit as standard. It says just shy of 89,000 miles on the clock. Air conditioning and auxiliary input. This was owned by Volkswagen initially for the first 8 months, and then bought by the previous owner eight years ago. So it's had one effective owner from new. It was used as a demonstrator with Volkswagen before that. And they've serviced it religiously with Volkswagen. So it had its cam belt changed when it was due in 2018. Not due again for another 18 months. And complete service history with Volkswagen. Every single receipt is in the file with this as well. It's a great little car, so call Guaranteed Motors today.